Body Break with Hal Johnson and Joanne McLeod.
Hello, Hal.
Hi, Mrs. Miller. How are you?
Fine.
Are you walking the dogs, or the dogs walking you?
Well, you know, Hal, sometimes I wonder.
Oh, I noticed you got a new pair of walking shoes.
Yes, the salesman was pretty good, you know, but I really had no idea what I should have been asking for when I bought them. But you know how much I enjoy walking.
Well, walking is an excellent way to keep fit. In fact, a 40-minute brisk walk burns off about 160 calories and gives your heart and lungs a good workout. But you should have good shoes. And whether you're running or walking, the same rules apply. They should give you firm support through the arch, be lightweight and sturdy, and be made of materials that allow your foot to breathe. Also, it's nice if the insoles are well cushioned to absorb the shocks when you hit those hard surfaces. But most of all, Mrs. Miller, you know, only you can tell if they fit in the store. So when you're trying them on, if they're not comfortable, don't buy them.
Well, thanks, Hal. Now, young man, you know that you lose 80% of your body heat through your head. So where's your hat?
Oh, I forgot, but thanks to the tip. So keep fit and have fun now.
Okay, Hal.
Bye.
Body Break